We know money is made in bulk shipping. This is the bread and butter way to make easy money. However, there are other markets we can tap into also in addition to making money other than the bulk shipping, but with our current resources. Shipping in bulk is an easy way to make money. The numbers speak for themselves with just basic logic. It takes little to no more resources to move additional freight in bulk. Typically, these are put in unit trains where they can carry the same thing, but it's just the entire train. Adding additional cars does not add more resources except for a little bit of fuel, but the money we make on top of that covers it. We do not even need to add more crew members. The existing one can just take it. It is a known fact that railroads are the most efficient way to ship heavy materials over long distances on land. Continuing to provide service to the local industries should be a consideration for us. I propose that we pick up more if we can. Yes, we do not make lots of money on it, but we make money from it and its resources. If we do not ship it, the trucks will. As an industry, we should pick those up to keep relevance of the railroads. But again, we do not make tons of money on it, but typically, if we're using our minds and we are thinking through and being efficient, we will be profitable. I selected these alternatives because the strategy that need to change will provide us with income to continue our operations as well as bring in additional money. The bulk shipping can be continued to increased efficiency because it is already efficient to ship. We can make significant amounts of money by doing that and increasing our efficiency. I also kept selected keeping local industry and revamping how we do this process due to the fact that it's money sitting there along the line. We just have to work a little to get it. We will have to put on additional crew members as well as invest in our infrastructure and equipment to account for all this, but the amount of industry that we would pick up would pay for itself and provide additional income for us. Though it's not efficient as bulk shipping, it's still profitable. To implement these changes and continue with the way we have been doing things, we would need to continue to maintain and update our existing infrastructure. We can build efficiency in the local industry and make our bulk efficiency improved by improving this area. It is not necessary for survival, but it can cut costs long term. By doing this, we would need to upgrade our current standards a little bit, but also get everything that we have up to our current standards at least. We would continue to provide more of an emphasis on this area, which should not be too challenging. We can slowly take over some of the traffic that we have cut in the past and improve our railroad. This worked, but we are leaving money that's still there that we can take. By taking this back and providing the service, we can slowly take back traffic that we lost to long haul trucking. A few predictions that I have will include something that we already know. The more efficient with bulk we can carry, the more money we'll profit from shipping bulk. If we can keep local industry close to the railroad tracks, we can help expand the overall economy in the local area as well as the entire country, and indirectly the entire world. Companies will move less populated areas along our lines to grow their industries, and we would have exclusive rights to their properties along our lines due to our location and our competitors' location. We will also continue to grow income, which gives us more income, which in turn is more jobs, more equipment. The industry grows and the job security is built itself to ride through economy slumps. Overall, our railroad grows.